Hello folks, welcome back. So in this tutorial, we're going to go ahead and set up our computer to run our Java programs. To do that, we need to install Java on your machine. And the latest Java that we have is Java 8. So different versions comes of Java every year. And so we are going to go ahead and install the latest Java version. So you can go ahead and say Java 8 download and just hit OK. And now you can go ahead and find this oracle.com link. So just go ahead and install that. So once you click on it, it's going to go ahead and take you to the page. So once you do that, this is the page that it's going to go ahead and pop up. So here you're going to see SC Development Kit and 8065 and all those. So there are different versions out there. So we need to accept the license agreement. Click on that radio button, and if you scroll down to the page, your computer is going to be most probably 64-bit. So you're going to go ahead and click on this one, but just double check. So if you're working on Mac, you can download this one. If you're working on via Windows, you can download this one. So my computer is a Windows 8 64-bit, so I'm going to go ahead and download this one. So here you're going to go ahead and download this version. So it's going to start the download in a couple minutes, and this is how you're going to see on the bottom left hand side, the Java is going to getting installed. So it might take a couple minutes, so I'm just going to pause my video and I'm going to restart again. So now we have downloaded Java. So now it has been downloaded. Let's click on that link. And once you click on the link, a page should pop up. So it's getting executed. So this is the Java 8 update 65. So we're going to go ahead and click on next. So right now it's not enabled, so just wait for a couple seconds. So you click on next here, next. It's going to go ahead and install Java for you. So let's just give a couple more minutes here to install it. So once you have installed the JDK, it asks you to install the JRE also. So go ahead and click next on it, and it'll keep installing the JRE for you. So it's going to go ahead, and you can see that 3 billion devices run on Java every day. So this is how popular the Java is. So now basically the JVM consists of JDK as well as JRE, Java Development Kit, and Java Runtime Environment. So when you run the program or execute the program, you need the JRE, and for the building of your program, you need the JDK. So you don't have to dig into too much detail about it. So you're right now installing everything, all that you need to run your Java programs. So let's just wait for it to go ahead and set up. Okay, so once you have installed the JRE, it'll ask you to install those API documentation and all that. You don't need to do that, so we'll just go ahead and close. So now we have installed Java. To check it, you can always go ahead and go to the control panel here. So you can type in control panel and you can search for your program. So this is my control panel. Let me go back one more time. So programs. Now if you see Java here, it means you were able to install Java, or you can even search in these programs, and these are the list of the programs that I have. And so if I go ahead and look for Java, it should give me a Java has been installed. So, and also give you the version of the Java. So on the top you see the development kit as well as the update. So I have Java installed on my machine. So now what I need to do is I need to go ahead and set my environment variable, because I need to make sure that when my class path knows about Java. So to do that, let me just first of all figure out where the Java has installed. So usually it will be under program files. It will be a folder called Java, and this is the place where you'll have your Java installed. So go ahead and get the link for this Java bin directory. So we will need it. So just go ahead and copy this link, and we're going to go ahead and set up an environment variable. So you'll go to the properties, and the property, click on advanced system settings, In the advanced system setting, click on environment variables. Now here I will go ahead and create a new variable here, and that's basically called as the Java home. Java underscore home, and then here I can go ahead and give the path here. So this has been created. Now I need to go ahead and edit the path variable. So this is my path. At the end of this, I can put a semicolon and I can say Java underscore home with these percentage signs and click OK. So now I have provided my Java. Now my Java has been set. So if you wanted to go ahead and see if Java is installed, if you go to your command prompt and you type in cd / and you say java -version, and if it gives you some output, so it means that he knows about that the Java has been installed. So it gave me 1.8.65. So that means that I have Java running on my machine. So now the next tutorial, we're going to go ahead and install Eclipse. So I'll see you in the next tutorial. If you find any difficulties in downloading Java, please go ahead and message me. I'll try to answer your queries within a day. So thank you so much.